Hi teachers. In this video I want to talk to you about the PowerPoints that are included and how you can use them in your classrooms. So each lesson includes a PowerPoint. These PowerPoints can be downloaded and they can be uploaded into either Google Slides or into PowerPoint so that you can use them. In a classroom setting, you can use these to actually teach through the lesson. These are meant to be interactive so that your students will follow along on the PowerPoint, and then they will copy down into their IDE things on the PowerPoint. So they're building and coding these concepts as we teach along with it. The teacher videos up here will show you very quickly how you can teach this or how I would teach it in my class. So you can watch this video just to give you some pointers on how to teach it before you use that. Now in an online setting, the only way I actually use the PowerPoint is when I use them for notes. So I upload these into Google Classroom, Moodle, Blackboard, or whatever you're using. You can upload the PowerPoint into there. Students can open these and then use them as notes. So after they've kind of watched the lecture, when they want to refer back to something, they can quickly have a source to refer back to. So again, download these. Here's an example of one that I downloaded just for using string variables. And you can see, so what my students would do is they'd go through and I would say, okay, type in this code. Again, as they follow along the video and they're typing this code, they would see what it does. I would pause in these different parts and they would see what it does. Each PowerPoint is kind of built the same way for them to follow along with, type in code and see what it does. But if they're just using the student videos, they can use these as a reference to refer to back afterwards. And each video is the same way. Each PowerPoint is the same way. And at the end of each PowerPoint, they have an assignment with the project and the exercises for that lesson. So just be aware of that as you're teaching it, that those are included. If you're not using the whole course and you don't want to include those things, you don't have to do that. But those PowerPoints are there for you to use as you need for your class.